Hello viewers, I'm Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem number 6 in exercise 4.2 quadratic equations. Problem is a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. So here the sentence seemed to be a little bit big, but read it twice. So, a cottage industry produces some pottery articles in a day. Fine. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article, okay, here comes the production cost, was 3 more than. What do you mean by more than here? It indicates a plus. 3 more than twice the number of articles. So here twice the number of articles gives 2 times of the number of articles. Fine. Now, if the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So here I believe now the problem is very simple. So there is an industry which produces some pottery articles, and here the cost of production of each article, okay, of single article is given by this statement. 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. That is, for each day, the production cost is given by this way. Okay. So, on a particular day, the total cost of production is 90 rupees. Then here now we have to find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So, first we start with, let the number of articles produced on that day be X, because we don't know. So, what about the production cost? Here, you see the cost of production of each article on that day is given by 3 more than. So 3 plus 2 times of number of articles. So here we don't know number of articles. So we are keeping that one as X. Therefore here 3 more than, 3 plus 2 times of X. Right. Now the total cost of production on a particular day was given. So total cost of production on that day is given by number of articles produced on that day into cost of production of each article on that day. Is it clear? You see, for example, let us take some, okay, the total cost of production be some 100, okay, just for an example I am telling. It is given as 100. How will you calculate the cost of production? That is number of articles produced into cost of each article, right? For example, here number of articles produced be some 50. So for each article the production cost is some 2 rupees. So 50 into 2 makes you 100. Am I making sense here? For example, we are manufacturing some kerchiefs, let it be. So the total cost of production, okay, on a day, the total cost of production is given by 100, or the production cost is 100. So that production cost is calculated by, how can you calculate? Number of articles produced, that is number of kerchiefs produced on a particular day into production cost of each kerchief. So that is why here the production cost, okay, total production cost is nothing but number of articles produced multiplied by production cost of each article. So here the production cost is given as 90 and the number of articles produced is X, and cost of production of each article is given by 2X plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 2X, here I had written as 2X plus 3 as they are in addition. So now when you multiply, 90 is equal to X into 2X, 2X square. So X into 3, 3X. Now when you rearrange, so here we are having 2X square plus 3X. I am moving this plus 90 to the right hand side so that it becomes minus 90. So again, you see this is a quadratic equation, but it has some coefficient of X square. So when you multiply, you see minus 90 into 2 will give you minus 180. And here you have to find a number in such a way that whose product is minus 180 and whose sum value is plus 3. So again, here we are going to find factors. So you see, I'm starting with this 180. So here 180 is, you see 2 times it is 90 and again 2 times it is 45, and when it is divided by 3 it is 15 and again 3 it gives 5. So finally this 180 is given by 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now we have to find two numbers in such a way that when they are multiplied the answer should be minus 180 and when they are added it should be plus 3. So you see I am writing 180 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So now I am going to make two numbers out of this. So first let us go with this. 2 2s are 4 and here 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Right, 4 and 45. So 4 into 45 will give you 180. It's damn sure. But 45 minus 4 will give you 41. But what we need plus 3. So we can't go with this. So again we are proceeding with 2 into 2 into 3. So here 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. And here 3 5s are 15. So 12 and 15 here. So when you subtract these two numbers, you will be getting answer as 3. So what is the sign before 3? It should be plus 3. So here I am assigning plus sign to the 15 and minus sign to this 12. So plus 15 minus 12 gives you plus 3x and minus 12 into 15 gives you minus 90. So as a first step, I am splitting the middle term. So this term is written as 2x square minus 12x plus 15x minus 90 is equal to 0. So again when you look at the first two terms, we can take 2x outside. So when 2x is taken, so here the remaining term will be x and here it will be minus 6. If you have any confusion, it is better to split and write the terms. Okay, it will take one more step, that's it. You see here this 2x square is written as 2 into x minus, and this 12 is written as 2 into 6 into x. So here 2x is common and again in this term 2x is common. So when you take this outside, the remaining terms are x minus 6. And here again in these two terms you can take 15 commonly outside. So when you take 15, then the remaining parameters are, here we have x and here 15 into 6 gives you 15 into 6 gives 90. So when you take 15 outside, here the remaining parameters are x minus 6. So again when you take this x minus 6 commonly outside, the remaining parameters are 2x plus 15. So when you equate them to 0, finally here we have x equal to minus 15 by 2 and x equal to 6. So now you have to select any one term, okay, either minus 15 by 2 or 6. So here this problem discusses with number of articles produced in a factory. So it should be always positive because number of articles produced in a factory is given by positive numbers. Either it may be 1000 or 1 lakh or even 100 or 50. But it should be a positive number. So here we are going with x equal to 6. So number of articles produced on that day is given by 6. So cost of each article is given by this ratio, right? That is this expression 2x plus 3. So when you substitute the value of x equal to 6, here 6 2s are 12 and 12 plus 3 give you 15. So cost of each article is 15 rupees. So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.